That acoustic, and we'll get that checked, and then we'll go ahead and do a song, make sure everyone's nice and happy with their wedge mixes. I'll see if she's got another battery. That's a cable. So right now, front of house is saying that it's kind of got like a little bit of a scratchy poppy sound. So we're gonna try and troubleshoot where that's coming from. We're gonna try switching out a cable, possibly a battery situation. We're just going down the line. Last time it was a battery issue?
Yeah, but I like changed it, so I don't...
Gotcha. Well, let's try this first, and then if not, like we'll go ahead and check out that battery again.
Okay.
I like to say if something doesn't happen in sound check, I kind of worry a bit because it's gonna happen during the show. Perfect. Cool. I'm gonna leave your cable right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Solder sometimes can kind of, you know, things can come unsoldered. So we're lucky. That was the problem.